Apple's almost getting done launching iOS 27 this fall, as the company has now rolled out the second beta of its upcoming OS to developers. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The latest version has brought some new features discussed in WWDC 2026, and most are centered on the new and improved Siri. The new features appear to be present across the beta 2 versions of iOS 27, iPadOS 27, and macOS 27. The developers who are testing this will likely uncover additional details as they spend more time with the latest beta, but there's already a rundown of the major updates. Siri has rolled out as a replacement for the old AI-powered writing tools prompt on both iPhone and iPads running the latest OS. A larger prompt with the words "Write with Siri" will appear above the keyboard before you start typing anything, and it'll shrink to just the Siri icon if you begin writing without the chatbot's help. The other Siri features in this beta appear are just incremental changes, like faster performance and labeling elements of the expressive voice preview as coming soon. There are some welcome updates for RCS communications within the Messages app as well. There's been more and more similarity between Apple and non-Apple device text in recent months, and the new beta continues that trend. The latest version of iOS 27 supports message reactions and inline replies for RCS. Other changes include improved iPhone mirroring and macOS Golden Gate that resolve some issues from Beta 1, as well as an update that allows AirPods Max 2 to update firmware. Keep your eyes open, as Apple's sure to bring more intriguing changes as iOS 27's final launch gets nearer. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.